Hello fellow model builders. I hope everyone is doing fine. My name is George and I'm here today with a pretty busy update video. So let's get started. First things first, yesterday I have got a mail from Charlie from Charlie's Mac channel on YouTube who sent me his hop card. I want to thank him and the community for supporting me and everybody else. You guys do a great work for small channels and new builders like me. So whoever does not know Charlie, please check his channel out. He builds all kinds of stuff and he doesn't afraid to get his hand dirty and try new stuff. He has teached and inspired me to try new stuff also. Now that I have got this out of the way, I want to do the final reveal for the group build, not my cup of tea. So here is my Honda NSR 500 in factory color from Tamiya in 1:12 scale and kit number 14099. I can tell you I am pretty pleased from how it turned out, and that in the future I'm planning to do more bike builds. This particular kit is great and went together easy as a breeze. All parts are detailed and crisp and require minimum amount of cleanup on the parts. Although the decals were pretty good, I faced some problems when I applied them to some parts of the bike. More specific, let me get a pointer. Here, and in the other side, over here, where the decals were teared up. Give me a moment, please. This is solely my fault because I need to practice more and even get more experience in decal application. But in the end, I can live with how the bike looks at the moment. Stay tuned because at the end of the video, I will have the usual photo slideshow with all the steps of the build. On to the next topic now. As you can see, or to be more precise, you will see, here is my stuff, which is consisted from 3 kits. I am going to show you my first candidate for the next build, which is this TAF 34-76 from Zvezda. My plans for this are to build it as battered and battle damaged, but still operational as possible, just because I want to try some new techniques and for fun. Second candidate is the classic Panzer II from Tamiya, and I bought this one because it was the first model that I have ever built and want to build it again so I can compare my skills and see how far I have got. I have also bought the Edward photo etch set for it to give it more detailed and practice. Maybe until I start building it, I will throw some more aftermarket parts. Third and last candidate is the M3 Scout car from Zvezda, which was a Christmas gift, and I'm planning to do the classic out-of-the-box build of it. This was it for today's video, my friends. I hope you have enjoyed and I didn't bore you with all my rambling. I want to thank everyone for watching, and if you have found it some interest in this video, please leave a like or subscribe. For more to come, until the next time, fellow modelers, keep on building and have fun. See ya!
tells you a story and makes you want to dance. Steve Fox examines an overnight phenomenon, rapping to the beat. The new sound of the 80s. Suddenly you hear it everywhere. It's all beat and all talk. It tells you a story and makes you want to dance. Steve Fox examines an overnight phenomenon, rapping to the beat.